Well, basically, we have programs that fit into 5 categories: workforce, community development, economic development, which is my primary focus, film and tourism. There's over 42 programs in the agency that fit into those 5 categories, and that's our mission, to provide assistance to the communities and the businesses with those programs. We work with the businesses if they're having needs for financing, tax credits, if they're having workforce issues. Maybe it's an issue with infrastructure and they need a new access road. And we utilize the programs that we offer to provide assistance for them, and also work with our partners like the SBDCs, the PTAC, and then our workforce partners as well to provide assistance. Well, most of our resources there are tied to the SBDCs and the technical assistance. We also offer the Advantage Illinois program, which is a loan program that they can access through their local bank. With our community development side, we do have the CDBG, the public infrastructure. So we've worked with many of the communities on water and sewer projects to upgrade their systems. Under the CDBG program, they also have a housing rehabilitation component that many of the communities have access to help upgrade the housing stock in their communities. And then under that program, there's also the economic development arm, where if there's a business needing help with infrastructure, we can utilize those funds. Or in some cases, we've been able to utilize it to buy equipment directly for the business. Well, the last year and a half has been incredibly difficult for many of our small businesses. Many have had to pivot on how they provided their services. In that realm, the SBDCs have been a great assistance to them. We've also ran some recovery programs, such as the BIG program. Right now, we're in the middle of the Back to Business program. And then we've also funded community navigators, hubs and spokes in the region to help deploy those programs. And hopefully with those programs, those funds can go to the businesses that need it most. I would say if they're considering an expansion, if they have any kind of workforce need, if they have any kind of infrastructure needs. So if there's anything that they're considering at all, I would say shoot me an email, give me a call. We can meet either in person or virtually and see what we can make fit for them. And if I can't help them, there's other agencies and programs that, I can maybe connect them with. For me, I always tell every business owner that I've talked to is visit your local small business development center, because they have a world of information and are one of the best kept secrets and can, walk you through the whole process.